Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse once again, and in today's video we are going to be oven roasting a whole tilapia fish. I mean, who doesn't love roasted fish? So we will be roasting a whole tilapia fish. That means we need a fish that is really well washed, remove all the scales, cut out some fins, and then remove the intestines and clean it inside until it's clean, just like that. So once we have our fish, we will be needing the onion for flavor and taste. The onion, some oil, some salt, some cumin powder, and then we'll be using black pepper, and we have a new favorite, mustard. So, and also some garlic cloves. So you're just going to grate the onion just like that, because it's going to be our base. We don't really want to cluster this fish with a lot of flavors. It already has its natural given flavors. So we're just going to use simple and basic flavors for this particular recipe. So make some little incisions in the fish so that the marinade we're going to make out of those ingredients we are preparing really gets into the fish and infuses properly. And then after peeling the garlic, for now I'm going to use the mortar just to grate it or to grind it and make some sort of paste. But you can also create a paste in whichever way you want. You can grate it, you can grind it in a blender, anywhere, as long as you just create paste for garlic, because aside of its health benefits, garlic is really great when it comes to flavors. So we're just going to put it into the onion and mix it up together. So we'll add in some little salt. It really depends on how much salt you want, but it is better if you use very little salt in a fish. And then we'll put in some little cumin, we'll put in some little black pepper. I would suggest that since I'm not measuring right now, if you want to measure, I would suggest to use maybe a teaspoon of each of these if you're going to be doing 1 kilogram tilapia fish like I did. And then use maybe a tablespoon of mustard. And then just sprinkle some little vegetable oil. I used coconut oil in this particular one. So I'm going to mix everything together. Our mustard, marinade, onion, anything marinade is ready. And then we're just going to go in and smear it onto the fish. And make sure you put everything inside into those incisions so that when the fish is cooking or roasting, it's infusing, it's absorbing all the flavors from these ingredients that we mix together. So just make sure you put some marinade inside there, put the mixture in there, and then smear it around. Preferably I would say that you keep this fish that is smeared with this mixture for about 30 minutes minimum, maybe to 1 hour. You can just put in a cling film and keep it aside for some time, and then you can just get it into the oven anytime. However, if you're following this recipe, your oven should be preheating like already at 240. And then I'm going to be using this particular tray that has a rack inside, because I don't want to have a fish stuck on a tray. So I put this one inside so that when it's roasting and it releases its juices, they are just going to go down. And then when I'm removing, I just pull off the rack and the fish is ready to go off like immediately. So just like that, I'm going to put it into the oven. Remember, I'm roasting it at 240 for about 30 minutes, and yeah, you're ready. The fish is looking really yummy. It's like edible, like already. The meat looks ready and crunchy. Thank you so much guys for watching up until this time. If you're a lover of fish, I hope you like this video, and please remember to subscribe. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.